Are you having IB Maths exam this year? I might be able to help you get a 7. I can train you with past paper exercises. Doing past paper exercises is more effective than reading textbook. And I have a lot of IB Math exercise. You can download some of them here. We are going to have online workshop this September, but you can try out the exercises now. You can either do it on paper or you can also do it online on my Miro online whiteboard. I can check your answer after that. Since you will be doing the maths exercises anyway, why not do it together with me? Join my online workshop this September. You have your iPad or tablet, then you're good to go. Download this online whiteboard app called Miro. We are going to use it during our workshop.